Imagine looking up at the night sky, and instead of the stars or the moon, you see a massive glowing ring stretching across the horizon. What if Earth had rings like Saturn? How would it change life on our planet? Let's explore the science behind this cosmic transformation. For Earth to have rings, a catastrophic event would need to take place. Imagine a large asteroid colliding with our moon or Earth itself, breaking off enough material to form rings. Over time, the debris would settle into orbit, creating a spectacular halo. Like Saturn, Earth's rings would likely consist of chunks of ice, rock, and dust. Depending on their size and density, these particles would reflect sunlight, creating stunning displays in the sky. For people on Earth, the view would be awe-inspiring. In some regions, the rings would be visible all day, reflecting sunlight during the day and glowing softly at night. Imagine the stunning sunsets with rings streaking across the sky. However, Earth's rings wouldn't just be for show. They could have serious impacts on our climate. Depending on their orientation, the rings could cast shadows on different parts of the planet, affecting weather patterns and temperatures. The rings would also affect our nights. They'd reflect sunlight even after the sun has set, creating bright twilights and shorter nights in some areas. Stargazing might become a thing of the past, as the rings would dominate the night sky. But there's a downside. Earth's rings could pose significant dangers to space travel. Satellites and spacecraft would have to navigate through or around the rings, risking collisions with chunks of ice and rock. This could make space exploration and communication satellites far more challenging. Earth's rings would also alter how our tides work. The gravitational effects of the moon and the rings combined could lead to unpredictable and more extreme tides, possibly making coastal areas more vulnerable to flooding. Over time, though, Earth's rings wouldn't last forever. The debris would slowly fall back to Earth or drift off into space. So while the rings might be breathtaking, they'd be a temporary feature in the grand scale of time. So what if Earth had rings like Saturn? It would change everything from our skies to our tides, from space travel to climate. But in the end, it's a beautiful cosmic vision that reminds us of how delicate and ever-changing our planet truly is. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, don't keep all the fun to yourself. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Spread the curiosity. Lastly, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more mind-blowing content like this. See you in the next video, and as always, stay curious.